Here at Knots.io, we automate your Zendesk. Start by going to the Zendesk Marketplace using the link below. Then, click Install button on the right side of the page. Next, choose the Zendesk instance where you'd like to install the app. Follow the prompt to your Zendesk admin space. Once it's installed, you'll have the option to rename the app. On the same screen, you can also set up role or group restrictions if needed. When you're ready, hit the Install button. After installation, head over to your agent workspace by clicking on the icon with 4 squares in the top right corner. Choose Support. In the left sidebar, you'll see the PDF Ticket Export and Archive app icon. If you can't find it, look under the 3 dots at the bottom left and click it. Go to the app's Settings page where you can log in to your Knots.io account. If you don't have an account, you'll need to create one. If you're already a Knots customer, simply log in. Now that you've logged in, the next step is to set up a trigger. Click on the Batch Export tab. If you've already set up a connector, select it from the connector drop-down list. If it's not showing, you can click on the Refresh button. If you haven't set up one yet, click on the Set Up Connector button. You will be redirected to your Knots account. In the Connector section, under the Add New Connector section, choose which platform you will be using for the export. Currently, we support FTP, SFTP, SharePoint, AWS, and Dropbox. Enter the required information to complete the setup. Once done, click on the Setup Connector button. Inside the Export Tickets to PDF app, choose the connector you just set up from the connector drop-down list. We recommend that you add a tag when triggering and after the ticket is exported. This will help with your reporting, and it's easier to identify when the trigger ran and finished. You also have the option to add a tag to a closed ticket. You can choose the destination path of the exported tickets and how the files will be named. You can even use Zendesk liquid placeholders here. There's also an option to close the ticket after export, delete the attachments of the ticket after export, and even delete the ticket after export. You can also customize what will be included in the exported tickets, like ticket attachments, generating a ticket as a PDF, ticket tags, among others. You also have to use the filters in the app's user-friendly interface, where you can choose the range of dates when the tickets were solved to be exported, filter the brands, groups, and tags. You can also do an advanced query mode using Zendesk's search query. Once done, click on the Save Current Configuration button and click on Preview Tickets. You will see how many tickets match the filters you've set and will be exported. When you're ready to export the tickets, click on the Start Export button. To confirm if the export was successful, you can look up the tickets in Zendesk by searching for the tag that you've added when the export is complete. This is my SFTP server, and you can see that ticket 381 was exported to its own folder, and so are the other exported tickets. And that's it. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out at support@knots.io.